How to activate Bank of America credit card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser. Now, here you want to search for bankofamerica.com. Once you're on this website, you want to first log into your account. For that, you have a login portal on the left-hand side. Go ahead and enter your user ID. Then enter your password. If you want your user ID to be remembered, check this box. Now click on the option of Login. In case you have forgotten your ID or password, click on this link. Once you click on this link, it's going to take you to another page. On this page, if you want to retrieve your ID or password, you first have to enter the card or account number, enter the last 6 digits. Now here enter your social security number. Click on the continue option and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be able to activate your credit card from here. For that, you will have to enter all the details of your credit card, such as the credit card number and PIN number. Then you will have to verify your identity. Once all the process is done, your card will be successfully activated. Then you will receive an email stating that your card is now ready to use. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.